introduction, competition number 1.
A big lesson that especially I have learned is something that to learn through failure. We've got a lot of problems with our drone through where we are now.
So at the Robotics Education and Competition Foundation, we like to always look at new programs that we can bring to pique interest of students that maybe weren't interested in more of our larger mobile robotic programs. So the mission of the REC Foundation is always to inspire and engage as many students as we can in hands-on, STEM-related, and really robotics education. So this BELL VRC event does exactly that.
So as students are taking part in this Bell Helicopter Challenge, they're learning all sorts of stuff about engineering and assembly of the drones. And what the competition does is it encourages them to continue.
So our Robodog's been building drones for 9 years. We've built them and flown them before, but we were looking for a competition that would challenge the kids. We do FIRST robotics, we do VEX robotics, we do Square One underwater rovers. We play in 7 or 8 different competitions, and we look for things that'll challenge our kids. We really like this drone competition. It's our first year with the BELL Vertical Aviation program, and I'll tell you, this drone has capabilities that nothing else we've ever done have. It challenges the kid to actually build a drone from the ground up. We really see great problem-solving skills being developed with this particular competition.
It was so fun. It was also our first experience doing robotics.
So I think what's really been unique about this competition compared to any others is the fact that we've got kind of a multimodal aspect to it. So we have ground vehicles, we have aerial vehicles, we have communication between the two, and really trying to put a real world scenario around that is what I think is unique about it and really requires a lot of thought on the students' behalf.
So we started with, plywood and cardboard and built up some of the features you see behind me. Modified it, made the changes we need to make, and then eventually worked with a third-party print shop to print all of the artwork on this field. So a lot of setup, a lot of man hours to take the field from being shipped off of a truck to set up how you see it. So it took all night, but we're here now flying some drones.
So I didn't know any of these people before we got class together, and we were all in separate schools, which was harder to communicate in general. It's a new experience. I never really got to fly a drone like this before, and just in a competition and we're doing so well, and just the teamwork that's involved. We all know each other, we're all good with each other. It's really fun, and it's a great experience. Honestly, connecting with all the teams is very fun, and it's nice being able to get to know everyone from different schools and backgrounds. I would love to come back next year, however I am a senior, but I will support my teammates on their endeavors.
We were just happy to be part of this. It was really fun.
We definitely enjoyed coming back to competitions after the COVID season. So getting back in person and competing against other very good teams was really fun to me.
Yeah, we are definitely coming back next year, and I already am, talking to Bell, asking them if they have internship opportunities for our students, and so yeah, we'll definitely be back. We had a great time.